Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, you'll learn how to edit a specific contact's name on Telegram, so your chat list stays organized and personal. Whether you want to fix a typo, update a nickname, or simply keep your contacts tidy, these steps will help you get it done in just a minute. First, grab your phone and open the Telegram app. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, head to the chat with the contact whose name you want to change. If you don't see their chat right away, just tap the search bar at the top and type in their name to find them instantly. When you've opened the chat, look at the top of the screen and tap on their profile picture or their name. This will take you straight to their profile page, where you can see more details about your contact. Next, look for the 3 dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on those dots to open a menu with more options. From this menu, choose Edit Contact. This is where you can make any changes to your contact's information. Now, erase the old name and enter the new name you'd like to use for this contact. Take a moment to double-check your spelling and make sure everything looks just right. Once you're happy with the new name, tap Done to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully updated your contact's name on Telegram. The new name will now appear in your chat list and throughout the app, making it easier for you to keep track of your conversations. Editing contact names in Telegram is a simple way to personalize your messaging experience and keep your contacts organized. Thanks for following along. Now your Telegram contact list is truly yours.